It would appear we have new allies.
They're moving his cell again? Into maximum security.
I will start developing a plan B.
Catch up to their cell faster before they're locked away in the depths of prison indefinitely?
Or a plan C, perhaps.
Maximum security power at dangerous levels. Systems malfunctioning.
Keep that cell in sight. Perhaps we can use that rift tether to get us up to that platform.
Up ahead! We can jump to that maximum security platform from there!
Return to your cells, or you will be banned from weight room access for 10 cycles.
We've got you covered.
Finally! We're gonna get you out of here. There has to be a way to stop your cellar.
I will not allow you to escape the Emperor's glorious punishment. My glorious punishment.
All right, how are we gonna escape? I've tried everything. Kit, any ideas?
Come on, Kit, say something.
I have no ideas.
Really? Because you...
Rivet.
Warning, riot in progress. Giggle gas protocol activated.
Oh no! The room is filling with gas!
Hold your breath!
Ratchet, quickly, get us out of here. Hit those buttons to open the...
Giggle gas protocol ineffective. Increasing gas level. Oh no.
They're sealing off the area. Hey! It's all falling apart. Just like the dimension. I thought Kit was my friend, but she's a liar, liar, pants on fire.
She seems to deeply regret it. Now keep moving.
Maybe. We're not gonna make
Tether
it.
onto that rip. Their cell. It went outside. There, quickly. We must slingshot onto that evacuation platform. use them entirely. Ratchet and Kit must be quite valuable.
Defiance is unacceptable.
Gotta hurry before their backup arrives! How many troopers do these guys have?
Too many. Quickly, use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
You will wait! You cannot do that! You cannot fire me! I quit!
Someone call for backup?
Thanks for the save. Kit, are you...
Give us a minute.
We'll meet you at the ship.
Clank told me I should try to forgive you. I am going back to Savali. I never should have.
Wait! You're just gonna hide again? Now?
I am very... Truly, I am sorry, Rivet. For everything. I am not a good partner.
Well, maybe you could be. If you'd stopped to help me that night instead of running away, things could have been different. Or if you just told the truth, maybe...
Why do none of you understand? I am broken. I will always be broken.
Fine. Go hide. We have a universe to save. Universes, whatever. I don't need a partner anyway.
Wait, where's Kit?
She's not coming.
But... Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense. Sorry.
Sorry.
You're all okay? Oh, thank goodness. We were so worried.
They can't stop us that easily.
What took you all so long? Hey! I think I know how we can find the Emperor! When you're ready to take the fight to him, come talk to me!
Hey, Phantom, and pause.
Is Sergey gonna bring my...
Sorry, one sec.
Look at that. Totally oblivious that the fate of reality is about to be decided. David!
So how do we find the Emperor?
Or I say, you sure you're ready? Okay, we have to draw him out. So I was thinking I'd disguise myself as a robot, but with a really big...
Do you know what that sound is? Listen closely. Is it fear? Hope? The slow inevitability of death? No, it's me. Winning. What else is new, you say? Oh, quite right. But you are only a part of one dimension. What about the rest? Maybe I'm just old-fashioned, but I think everyone deserves a little subjugation. So, to celebrate such a momentous occasion, I'd like to honor the good doctor who inspired this journey in the first place by invading his home dimension personally. What? My first stop, Megalopolis. Or, as I like to think of it, New Nefarious City.
When do we leave?
right now.
Are we home? I am afraid so.
You hear that, pal? Let's take out some snipers. Rivet, how's it looking up there?
Not great, but I'm with you.
He's a ratchet! Tell him of my admirable heroics!
I got you covered. Hurry and get that dimensionator.
The Nefariouses are just up ahead. There is one. All right. Looks like the sky's clear of snipers. Let's move.
There aren't too many!
You are the heroes of this dimension? That is hilarious.
You got lucky last time, Nefarious. Is.
This calls for a special sort of annihilation. I've been looking for an excuse to wear my new suit.
Where did he go? What's your move, Nefarious? Is that a rift? Or... Ratchet, we need your help. Nefarious just... Whoa!
Rivet, you are no longer in exile. What has gotten into you lately? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Rivet, you will never guess!
Quantum?
You really think you stand a chance?
is a battle to be won!
You've got this, Quantum!
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over! How's that?
I have goosebumps.
You nailed it! Now jump!
Oh, you! This dimension really thinks it will get the best of me. How about retire their heroes?
It's still working. This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
This is how you get your dimension to respect you. Unconventional, perhaps, but effective. Imagination, elegance. This is my dimension to rule. This is becoming considerably less amusing.
Keep firing at the monitors.
Are you all okay?
Yep, just fighting the Nefarious the size of his ego.
We're getting close. Hang in there.
Firing ratchet.
You heard him, everyone! Keep shooting! We can't stop now!
No, 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 no!
You're looking hurt, Nefarious!
My last nerve. This holds not even a candle against the battles I have won. Countless victories. Your dimension will be another in my trophy case. Look upon my magnificent work and despair!
Don't let him distract you!
What have you done?
Ratchet! Gary and the monks think they can help! Get as close to Nefarious as you can! I'll draw fire!
Over here! I can get you into Nefarious's heart! As in the robot's heart. Sorry!
Thank you!
There, the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit.
Get him out! Troopers, go! Defend the heart! I will send every weasel, faithful citizen of this dimension into the darkest, most remote pits of reality to suffer in ways their tiny minds could never begin to comprehend.
It's working!
Why will they not just stop it?
See? This is why my dimension is hard to take over. It's not because of me.
That remains to be seen.
You have nearly done it, Ratchet.
No! My suit! It's failing!
Keep firing, Ratchet.
Got him. Gary, I could use an exit!
Ratchet! Clank!
We got thrown to the other side of the city. Hold them off as long as you can.
You think you can defeat me? I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me!
He's gonna destroy the dimensions!
You were right. I cannot run away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone.
I will hold back his army. Take him down.
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This isn't near over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different!
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart if you don't stop!
Oh no! The endless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! How could I? Me! Behold the awesome power of your one true leader! Will not make a fool of me!
You're done for, Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my troopers! Let's show them who I really am!
Kid, I could use a hand! Thanks for the save!
Just to betray your Emperor, KT-7416!
My name is Kid, and you are not my Emperor!
Oh, Rivet and Kid! How utterly charming! Destroy the rebel warbot! Do not let it near me!
Kid! Heavy incoming!
This isn't nearly the end of me! Not even close! Eliminate them! Now! Now! Now!
More troopers flanking! Together! Let's show them how it's done! Oh, nice one!
I will be the end of you!
I will not let you win!
Where are my troopers? Come, my loyalists, every one of you, come together to fight for your beloved Emperor! They're all gone? Hello? No one?
Nope!
Enough! I will collapse every dimension into nothingness!
We're talking the Dimensionator! Hurry! I can get you up to him!
Empty void! Say goodbye!
This is the part where you lose!
Ah! You really thought you had me? Get off of me, you loathsome... Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend, and thank you for coming back.
Team? Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Is that... us?